My name is Christophe de Sousa. I'm an industrial designer and I'm based in Porto. This year we are presenting a new collection. It's called MÉLANGE. It's a collaboration between Sabrina and me, where we put together different approach, materials and aesthetics.
The idea was to bring our visions together in a collection what is very different pieces. It's a mix what comes together as a collection because they're so different, and I think they work together in a way. That's why we called it also mélange. It's like different shapes, different materials become a cohesive collection at the end. Yeah.
We were thrilled to present our collection in Lisbon Design Week, and Servànt was our top choice as a showroom. The first meeting we had with the team, we felt an immediate connection. They truly understood our vision and what we wanted to present. We truly hope our collection can become a lasting part of Servànt curated universe. Let's see.